What's going on, everybody? Listen, I just want to tell you all something. It's really a reminder. Love conquers all over time. I know you're probably thinking, man, you see all the chaos and the madness going on in the world. You see all the hate going on. How can you talk about happiness and being positive and things of that nature? Look, I know one thing. Hate and hate only brings more hate. Negativity and negativity only brings more negativity. Madness and madness only brings more madness. We have to meet these things with as much positivity as we possibly can and as much love as we possibly can. I'm not saying love the oppressor and things of that nature, but your brothers and your sisters next to you, stop walking past them and not saying nothing. Stop walking past them and acting like you don't see them, being disrespectful. You see somebody, y'all lock eyes, you say, what's up, how you doing? You never know what a person is going through, especially now. Everybody's emotionally exhausted, mentally exhausted. Everybody is tired. All this stuff that you're looking at, I'm saying this because it's good that all this stuff is being reported so people have something to continue to fight for and, so people can continue to push for change. But over time, looking at the stuff over and over, I can speak from experience, man. I'm tired emotionally. I'm exhausted. My thoughts are going from here to here. My feelings are going from here to here every single day. And, I'm finding it harder and harder every single day to find positivity and to find, ways to spread love, man. So it is very, very important that you love yourself, you love your brothers and your sisters, and you spread love and positivity as much as possible during this time. Your family, you can bring positivity, you can bring love to them, all right? You can't bring it to everybody, but if you bring love to one person, if you bring positivity to this other person here, they can bring positivity to the next person. And then it's a domino effect and it keeps going. That's the only way that the world's gonna become a better place. I know everybody's heard that quote by Martin Luther King. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that, all right? I want you to think about that the rest of your days, all right? I know you're pissed off and you're angry, but you have to find a way to spread some positivity. Even if you can't bring it out to somebody else or whatever, start with yourself. Find some peace, find some positivity, find some love within yourself. And then once you find it, spread it out to somebody else because you don't know what somebody else is going through. And if anything is going to kill anybody, it's going to be their depression. It's going to be that stress. It's going to be those things. All right, we gotta do better at spreading love and being positive and things of that nature. Everybody's so quick to, being hateful and being pissed off and angry. And I know certain situations bring that out, but we have to do better. We have to do better at being positive, man. Love your brothers and sisters. Speak positivity in them. Protect them with all your energy, with everything you got, by any means necessary. And y'all have a great day today. All right?